In this lecture, I want to show you how to import content into your Scrivener, your Scrivener manuscript project. This entire IDE space is what they call project-based. Again, you don't really need to know all this stuff. You just need to know that what we're going to do is import content into the binder. And we're going to drag it into, or we're going to import it rather, into the draft area. You know what? I don't like it being called draft. You know, this is the name of my book. I'm going to create my book. And so what I'm going to do is, notice I just double clicked on it. I'm going to say mobile marketing ebook. There. So now my draft isn't called draft anymore. My working space is called the mobile marketing ebook. Ta-da! All right. So there's a bunch of ways of importing content. And for the purposes of this training, I've provided, you should be able to see my desktop now, I've provided some PLR, and I've got mobile marketing PLR. So watch this. I'm going to open up the file folder, and there are lots of ways of doing this. So this is all the content. I'm just going to grab something, and I'm going to drag it. Now look, you get all this really interesting targeting. I'm going to just drag it and drop it at the end of my book here, not on top of anything. I'm just going to drag it there. See? Look at that. See, this is the content. See, that's the note. Coupons and mobile marketing. Oops. And I just dragged it, as you saw, and I dropped it at the end here. And there it is. And look, it has gone and created a title. Interesting. And there's the title, or rather there's the content. And you notice it just goes all the way along. I mean, if you resize, look at your wraps, okay? You don't need to worry about formatting at this point, because formatting is something that gets handled when you compile and output the final version of your book. So one of the nice things about Scrivener is you can ratchet up the content creation really very quickly, and you can pile it all in. Watch this. I'm going to grab two documents. I'm going to slide them over, and I'm going to drop them in at the end. Look, see? There's that one, and there's that one. See, look, I've just imported 3 documents. You know, because I don't need them anymore, I'm going to take these 3 or these 4 dummy documents, and I'm going to trash them. They should now be down in the trash, which means I can get them back later if I want. But I'm going to ignore them for now. So look, my new book has 3 pieces of content called Coupons and Mobile Marketing Keys to Success. Isn't this fantastic? I've got my book title here, and I've got 3 files, documents, with my content. Watch. If I grab the rest of them, just like this, and I drag them over, and I drop them at the end, if I can do this without messing it up, bam, done. 17 documents. Now, I should be able to bring that over a bit so I can see more. See, look, you can drag it. I'm just going to let it go there. So how easy that was? I just imported 20 documents, drag and drop. Now, of course, you can also go up to File, and you can do Import, see? You can import files, and that's great too. But I personally just drag and drop. So I'm the kind of person that tends to create content in text files and bits and pieces. And I don't know about you, but if you've got files all over the place, you can drag them and drop them in here. And it doesn't have to just be text files. This is actually quite clever. I haven't tested it with umpteen different formats, but you can just drag and drop them in. I've tried it with Word documents. It works quite fine. And away you go. Now, of course, the title of each of these documents is a bit lousy. Fantastic. Let's get rid of that. So as you can see, the title of these documents is a bit lousy. It says Coupons and Mobile Marketing Keys to Success. Well, it took that and it put it there. Well, it didn't do too badly, did it? So what you'd want to do is you'd want to take that, you'd want to cut it using whatever you want to use. In this case on a Mac, it's Command X. Press delete a couple of times and paste. And now we've got a cool title. Do the same thing here. So grab that, cut it out, double click, paste. Down here, do this, grab it, delete, double click, paste. grab, I'm not going to do all of them in front of you, you'll go bonkers. Just know that what I'm going to do when I stop the video is I'm going to do that. So look, you saw how quick I just did 4. So look, there's 20. It's probably going to take me, what, 2 minutes? Maybe 3. Again, I'm not going to put you through it, but that's how you can import content, okay? So if you've got content, and in this case, this is PLR content. Now look, I am not advocating, plus Amazon or most books, shall we say, if you're creating an ebook and it's for clients and stuff and you want to use PLR, it's brilliant, knock yourself out, no biggie. But if this was for Amazon, they don't take kindly to using PLR. So don't be thinking you can do this for Amazon, because you can't. I'm just providing PLR because it's a simple way for me to show you how quickly you can create an ebook using Scrivener once you've got some content. And rather than you having to think about content, I'm just, providing it. Okay?